kids to push, you got your handle here. It does actually move up and down based off of where your kid can push on it. And it also has got all those interactive learning tools. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got good lights. It's got good sounds. It's got fun songs to keep the kids really interactive, which I really like. It also comes with a multitude of balls there for you. Like I said, it's the push and pop Bulldozer. The way that it actually works, you can see the kids actually take and hold the handle here. And then as you push, it teaches them not only about speed and pushing, but you're pushing, it's popping up that Bulldozer, it's shooting the ball out for them to catch, and then it just keeps going for them. So I apologize, it doesn't push really well on carpet, but as they do keep going, as long as they land the ball in the bucket, it keeps flipping it back and forth. So it's teaching them about patience, it's teaching them about slow, fast, those sorts of things, but it's also a good help and a walking tool for the kids because it's something that they can push as they're learning to walk. But like I said, it's also got those fun colors on there that keep it interactive, as well as fun songs and lights as well. Thank you for watching.
For my son, because he still kind of favors crawling over walking, and we want to promote more walking. It's really easy to set up. It's just this tab, and you put the screws in, and that's the handle part to push and play.
This here is a VTEX push and pop Bulldozer. It comes with 3 balls here. The handle, it'll break down, and it's for when you're those kids that are just getting ready to walk and they need a little bit of help, where they're walking and they need a little bit of help, but also it's a lot of fun. The ball goes into here, pops out, and then gets dumped back into there as they push it. So it's kind of a reaction toy. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, but they are in here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver to replace them if you need to. I have not needed to replace them yet. My son right now is 1, so he's not really balancing with it yet, but he is playing with it. He loves playing with the balls. This is the sound control right here. It is a medium and loud. We'll just go with medium for now. And then ready to clear the way. As you push it, it will make noise. Sing songs. Great for kids learning to walk. Again, this is the VTEC Push and Pop Bulldozer. This is Mark from Adventure Dad, and we will see you in the next video. Clear the way!